Hi guys, you want to know where we are? Here, a beautiful fashion capital, Milano. All right, honeys, today, of course, it's a late start because I overslept. And we're gonna go to a couple of stores and see what we can find, see what kind of sales. It is sale season, so let's see what kind of sales that we can come up with. But look at this. I love living in cities like this, like, you know, where the views are like this. Like, I live in Washington, D.C., and so, yeah, anytime I want, I could just pass by the White House. And I think that kind of stuff is kind of cool. We have a little history, but this here, I'd rather live here. All right, honeys, I got my Red Bull in tow, and we are off. Let's see. Oh, I see H&M is here. ZARA should be right down from H&M. COS is a little ways down. That's where I really want to go to COS because I've never really done a shopping vlog on COS. So maybe we will definitely get into that. I need to pick up more wine. One of my favorite rosés here, and it is by Dolce & Gabbana. And I'm going to stop rambling and let's just go shopping. I'm happy now. I'm happy now. I'm happy now. This is my happiness. Oh. Okay, honeys, I know I said we were going to go discount shopping as in fast fashion brands, but this is a Prada that I love. I'm just going to dip in really fast and see what they have and dip out.
Chiedi il cambio Italia che così non ci pensiamo più, ma vengono loro.
Okay, I know I said a quick stop. This is like my favorite Prada boutique. It's actually the first Prada boutique ever. And I'm trying on jeans that I do not need. Of course, I have champagne. But I'm gonna try these 3 different jeans on and I'm gonna let you guys see. This is a very masculine pair here with the cuffs, high cuffs, but we'll see. Okay, honeys, so first things first, this is the first pair. I like them. They have like a little barrel leg effect. And let's look at the back. And they're high-waisted. I want to show you guys how high-waisted they are. But like, my navel is like down there. And these pants are like up to like my chest. So these are cute. Was not expecting to love these the way that I do. Prada always has me in a chokehold. Okay, so let's get on the really manly pair now. Let's see what they're doing. Okay, honeys, these are cute. I'm in a size. What size are these? This is a size 27, so I definitely need a size 26 in these. I didn't take the time to button them, but they are definitely way too big. They're definitely interesting. I have a little Prada logo here. But I'm gonna take the shoes off. I don't like these shoes with these jeans, but they definitely have a more oversized fit and they're definitely giving like a little masculine vibe. Definitely if they had a 26, I think I could see it more because this back is just like all the way open. Not that I couldn't get them tailored, but I could definitely go down a size. So yeah, these are definitely not a winner, but they are cute. I think I just need to try another size. So let's see if she has another size. Okay, this is the really high-waisted one here, the little dirty jean effect. It's a size 25. Could not get them all the way buttoned. I feel like a 26 would be perfect. Look at that. That's a hot mess. Anyway, they fit so cute in the back. So cute in the back. I love how the pockets are like here, but then the booty is down here. So funny. Yeah, these would be so cute. They don't have my size. Alright guys, I guess it's another no Prada today. Okay, quick outfit of the day. I have on this two-piece chambray outfit that I got in ZARA in Monte Carlo, Monaco, and everyday jewels, Rolex watch, Cartier Justin Cloud ring, everyday little jewels that I wear. Let's see, can you see that? I love green, by the way. On the ears, the new Prada Sunnies, and Hermes, little Oron sandals in my Hermes little bag. How did I do? Cheers. All right guys, so let's just move on to the next location because I'm having no luck in Prada and we're supposed to be doing fast fashion shopping anyway. Ciao. This is a must-have right here. This little coffee tea set. Yes, everything. Alright honeys, first things first, these are 49 euro and I will not be walking out of this store without these because I found something similar in Doha last year and they were way cuter than these and I didn't buy them. I don't know why. I don't know if I was being cheap or what, but these are so cute. Like they're so cute on. But at any rate, let's get started on this try on session. All right, honeys, so this is the first set I tried on. I've seen this set on ads that come on my Instagram and I would go to it all the time, and as soon as I walked in the store I saw it. Only thing is this skirt is a medium and they can't seem to find a small in the store, so I'm right outside the fitting room going to see if I can find a small on the fitting room racks there. But this green is so cute. It's like a light sage color and I love how it goes. My sandals are, you know, the brown, the gold brown for Hermes blend with it. And now if I just put my little, I think these colors are so cute together. Like, what do you guys think? This would be so cute on a cute little vacay. All I need to do is find the small in the skirt and we will be all set because the medium is just too big. Like, isn't this so cute, guys? What do you think? All right, let's pray that I can find the other size, the size small. The top is actually a size, they don't have a medium. This is a small, but I think the small fits. My boobs are big and there's nothing that we can do about that. I mean, we can always get them removed, but we're not doing that. We're not gonna do that until it's time. But yeah, I love it. I'm also loving my sunglasses. I love these glasses, y'all. Like, I'm not wearing my glasses to wear these little Prada cuties. But what do you think? Was that a pocket? There's a pocket here. Oh my gosh. I've got to find this in a small. A pocket! Okay, honey, so outfit number 2 is this. It's like an ecru color of white, but you see the color here is very creamy, but this is so cute, so lightweight. I'm wearing a medium in the pants because they do have a drawstring and I can make them tight. I kind of try to get larger sizes so that I can, not that I'm a true small, but I do like to get a larger sizes. That's why I had a medium in the skirt to try to see if it would fit, but I like the length when the sizes are larger. And this is so comfortable. It's ridiculous. The fabric is very soft, lightweight. As you can see, you can kind of almost see through the pants. You can tell how lightweight that this fabric is. And once again, it goes so cute with my orange sandals and my cute little gypsy bag. So cute together, right? Also, it would be so probably cute with my new little ballerina flats that I'm buying. So, oh my gosh, this is so cute, guys. And it's very inexpensive. I'm gonna put the prices here. I can't remember exactly what the prices are, but it's like probably like 50 euro for both pieces. So this is definitely a must. The back is like elastic. This is a medium top and a medium bottom, and I think it just fits very comfortably. All right, guys, what do you think? I have 2 more pieces, but I think I'm only gonna try one because this here is a little cute dress, and it's like a mod. It's like a mini dress, crochet, but guess what? It's $79. I'm not paying $79 for that, so let's keep the party going. Okay, honeys, the last look in mango is this cute little linen maxi dress. Very pretty. I don't think it's that flattering on me because it looks like it smushes my boobs, and I'm wearing a size medium, which it's elastic, so it does stretch. And I also, my problem areas in the back, because it does have a little keyhole, it does not cover my problem areas in the back. So I will not be, this is going to be a hard pass for me, even though it's really, really pretty. But just because it's really, really pretty doesn't mean that I'm going to be able to wear it, because I don't like this part. If I was spicy enough, I'd give me some lipo and just lipo that little area right there on me. But yeah, I could rather go shopping than buy some lipo at this point. But very cute dress, linen, and it feels so pretty. It feels good. But yeah, we're gonna pass on this one, but definitely a cutie for someone else. I didn't even see this dress, and I did see it online. How cute is it, guys? So cute, right? Okay, we're gonna go to another mango. Okay, honeys, Zara has entered the chat. Well, let's do a quick little walk around. The thing about Zara here is like 4 floors, so let's see what we can find. Oh, there's my outfit. All right, don't pay attention to the mess in the background, but this little cute bag here is super cute. I love when I find little cute stuff like this, and it's priced so nice. It's only $19.95, and it comes with a strap. Alrighty, this would have been so stinking cute, but my cup runneth over. How cute and sexy. It feels so good and so silky, but yeah, this is not going to support my boobs. I mean, it's okay, but yeah, I think I'm wearing a medium, but if you have small boobs, run, run, run. Don't walk and get this cute little sexy dress. Like, it's so cute. I had the perfect bag for it. And it's cute. Alright, honeys, another thing, I did not subscribe to the Zara sale, but I was seeing this online and I liked it because I saw that it came with a skirt. They don't have the skirt in stock, but this cute little blouse, I'll just wear this with the jeans or something. It's only like 22 euro. So stinking cute, right? And maybe I can go online and see if they have the skirt there, but I like this. The Honeys, guess what? We're on our way to COS, and then I searched for the closest COS location, and they're closed today. Today is Tuesday. Apparently they close on Tuesdays because every location I pushed and my search was closed. So let's reroute this adventure. So we're here at COS, but apparently they're not closed on Tuesdays. I'm just late. Yep, the door's not even opening. Thank you. They're closed. I'm so late. Oh my gosh. Look how cute that is. Oh, I should have come here first. Also wanted to come here and get wine, and it looks like Dolce is also closed. Let's see. They're closed too. Oh gosh, but look at that green. Gosh. This new green is so cute. Oh my gosh, I always come here and get the Dolce & Gabbana Rosé wine. Wow, this green is so amazing. If you haven't noticed, I am obsessed with green. And this is so cute. Alright guys, I usually don't even go for things like this, but I think this is kind of iconic for some reason. So stinking cute. Have to be sure not to break your freaking ankle on these train tracks. If you're ever in Europe, this is one of my favorite little cute stores, Arket, and they always have the cutest cafes. Stop walking. This is Arket, and then it says there, cafe. They always have the cutest little sandwiches and soups and all that kind of stuff. Avocado toast. It's really, really cute.
Me, pictures go in my phone, guys.